At the same time as she's falling, she's gonna offer the hands, and you're gonna connect the hands like this, like crab hands. These 4 fingers always together. Do not interlace fingers, ever. 4 fingers, crab hands. And you interlace the hands like this. Good. And you feel most of the weight is on your legs, and you push the feet up towards the sky. Do not try and get or jump if you're the flyer. Just let the base do everything. Good. And keep the hands connected for now.
Still hands.
Good. Ideally, you want all 6 joints here a stack. Shoulders, elbows, and wrists of the 2 people a stack. Okay, so avoid the tendency to spread the legs, the arms out, the gaze slightly forwards, and as you can see, Eve is pretty much doing locust here. So it's actually quite hard for the person who is flying. You have to constantly be doing locust. Shalabhasana. Okay, the legs squeezing together, every single muscle fiber is engaged. When you're ready, you begin to bend the knees, and you softly land her back on the ground. Okay, good. Let's do groups of 3, and let's play for a little bit. In a minute. Let's